Hello, how are you? Thank you for joining me. I'm Rob Wynn, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys and showing you a demonstration of what I think is the best free social media management tool. I've used a few over the years, and this one I've just found out about recently, and I thought it was new, but they've been around for since 2015. So that's 8 years. So it's been around a while. So what will today's video be about? What will I show you? Firstly, the name of the best free social media management tool is Metricool. So it gives you 50 posts every month for free. But before I get started, I just ask you a teeny weeny little favor. Please do like this video if you do like it, and you can subscribe, you can put a comment down, and most importantly, do watch the whole video, because at the end I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from Metricool. But what else does it give you? It's not just about the automation of posts. It will also give you analytics, and it shows you all of the analytics you need for free. And I'm going to show you the dashboard of Metricool so you can see exactly what is available for free. I'm also going to do a post for today. In fact, it's going to go live in less than an hour, so I need to get a move on. So here is inside the dashboard of Metricool. You can see up the top here you've got analytics, inbox, planning, SmartLinks, ads, and then if you want to become premium you can do. But let's start with analytics. Now this gives you the, believe it or not, analytics of your whole social media accounts. So I've got 4 here. I'm focusing on 4: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. You can see down here though, there's so much more than you get on many other social media management tools or websites. You can got up here your web or your blog, obviously Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. One thing interesting about TikTok is that you can have the personal and business, whereas other social media management tools don't allow you to have both. Got Google Business, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads. So you've got all of this information, and you can see here account, followers, shows you how many followers you've got on there, impressions, interactions, number of posts, and in some of your posts the most impressions on your posts. So it has all of that, and it's all for free, which is great. Other ones you have to pay for these kinds of details. Now let's move on to inbox. Now this is wonderful because you can just interact with your followers from one spot. So once it loads, it will show you on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Obviously I'm getting messages on there, and normally I'd have to go to each network to reply, but here you can just do it from one spot. Again, it's free as well. Shows you how excellent Metricool is. Planning. Now this is where you plan and create your posts. Another amazing part of Metricool is it shows you here the best times to post. So this is in Europe, London, which is where I am. Well, I'm not in London, but I'm in England. And you can see the best time to post. You see, I did one at 2 p.m. because around that time you've got like it's around 92, 93%. A little bit later, it goes up to 100%. So I'm going to do a post now for 4 o'clock. That's going to happen today. So But if you're in a different part of the world, obviously you can change to wherever you want to see when those people are mostly on their social media. So you can see here you've published 4 out of 50 available in your current plan for this month. So getting 50 for free, I think, well, it's better than any other site that does this. If you know of one that does more for free, please do let me know. All right, so I'm going to do a post, but before I get to that, let me just show you the other ones. SmartLinks. This is great. You may know Linktree, and I have a link in bio, and it's a place where you can have a link, one link on Instagram that you can see here takes you to one page where you can have other buttons to link to lots of different places. So you can do that as well on Metricool for free. And finally, you've got the ads as well. So if you're going to be doing ads on, you've got keywords, create a campaign, recommendations, you can do it all on here as well. And that's part of it. So let's do a post. Planning. And here you can see create a new post. So you can select all of these at the top. So this one post will be sent to all of these, and all of them will do automatically. With TikTok, it does do automatically, but you have to write 150 words or less. If you do more than that, then they'll send you a notification on the Metricool app to say this needs to be posted, which is fine if you're free and you can do that. But if you want it done automatically, you've got to make sure the words are less than 150. Or you can see down here, it gives you little reminders of what you need to do. I'm going to change it to a reel, so you can do that at the top. Reel on Facebook, reel on Instagram, and on YouTube you can have a video or short. They do them both, and it's going to be sent today at 4 p.m. That's in half an hour's time, so I better get a move on. But it doesn't take long. You'll be able to see it doesn't take long at all. So first of all, let's get a video that I'm going to share, put onto those sites, add video. Right, so you can drag and drop. So there's my video, and then just need to add some text. So that shows you Metricool and how to use it, and the fact that you get 50 free posts every single month. I think that's the best I've seen. If you've seen better, please do tell me, let me know, just write in the comments. And that's great. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, that'd be great if you could just subscribe and write down any comments if you like it. I want to ask you a question as well. You may know that if you do scheduled posts to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you can't add music. You can't have music on there. But I have found a way to add music beforehand, so you can schedule it on Metricool and it will be posted, and it'll be okay. They won't mind because it's legit music that can be used on those networks. I can show you that, but only if you want me to show you it. So if you do, just write down in the comments that you want that video. And that's that. Thanks guys for watching this. Really appreciate it. And I'll be back soon with some more videos to help you make money online, save money online, and grow money. All right. See you soon.